Before we start, let us acknowledge first the presence of our visitors. Thank you for coming. And of course, our principal here, Madam Eden, and the presence of our teachers, and of course, to everybody. Thank you for being here. Let us now have the welcome address or the opening remarks by President Ferdinand P. Cruz, but I can see that our pastor is not here, so Madam Eden can give us the opening remarks. Good morning. And the one who will give you a welcome remark. So, welcome to our English Day activities. Our theme is revitalizing English communication, focusing on our English. So, speak in English. If you do not speak in English, you have a fine of 5 pesos per word. Even though it's wrong or you have a wrong grammar, you can speak. Yes? What do you do? What do you want? Oh, teacher. Teacher, say I go out. Go up. Yes, you may. Naku, nawawala ang kanyang boses. Okay, welcome to our English Day. Hope you are ready with the game. Are you ready? Say your love today.
That's it. No. Amen.
Full day activities. Enjoy yourself and let's try to speak in English. If you don't mind, just speak quiet. And watch and observe. Okay?
Hooray!
Okay. So, okay. Game.
Katakot. Yee. At yun. El, smile.
Yes, English in our life, whether we like it or not, we have to learn the English language.
Oh.
So, are you ready for today's activity? Ready? Ready? Okay, so the next part of our program is a game.
Oh. Again. Again.
If you would like to recognize the grouping, it's a group 1. Can please stand up?
Kala ko ako. Ayun sana ako.
I think the leader is out of place. Okay, so they are.
Bye guys.
Group 2 and
Very konti. Very konti.
Yes, that is around. Okay, thank you. Please take your seat. We have the instruction to be given to us by Teacher Rain. Okay, we're going to play word patch game. Are you familiar with that?
No. Ha?
Okay. Our first
Sorry.
This corner line, group 1.
Where? Where?
These two see the lines of group 1. Group 1 is occupied this space here at the top. First line, please. Group 2 follow at the center. And group 3 at the side. And corner line facing at the back.
Takbo dyan!